In the offshore oil and gas sector, precision is everything. A single weak joint, a single welding flaw, can put entire operations at risk. Drive shoes and landing rings face some of the harshest conditions, high pressure, heavy loads, and relentless offshore environments. Welding them is not just a task, it's a challenge that demands expertise, accuracy, and world-class equipment. At Venture Gulf Engineering's specialized machine shop, we deliver landing ring welding with unmatched precision. Backed by advanced technology and skilled professionals, we ensure every weld is strong, durable, and built to perform offshore. This is how we support the energy sector, with engineering excellence you can trust.